Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check how much storage space you have left on your iPhone running iOS version 14.3. So this is my iPhone device, so let us start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on this general, and then you have to tap on this about. And you can see guys, I have this about screen opened, and on this screen you have to go to this option available. And in front of this you can check out how much storage space you have left on your iPhone. So I have a 50.29 gigabytes of storage space left on my iPhone. You might have more or less. So it's now done guys. And also you can see guys, I have this software version, this iOS version 14.3 installed on this iPhone XR. So that's it. After that, you can go back and close the settings app if you want. So let me close that. So in this way, you can easily check out how much storage space you have left on your iPhone running iOS version 14.3. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.